Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, the subscribe button should be right here. You should hit that button. And yeah, let's get into the video. You made me. First thing you want to start off with is search a Panzoid. So search that up. Once you're on this page, just click more creations. Then there's a whole entire list of intros. Some people just use 6 text. They give you text to use for intros like these and stuff. But yeah, I go for the ones that are my intro. I have my own account, and I sort of just here's my intro I made. I basically just modded this one, but the way I liked it. Yeah, they got anime intros, but I wouldn't really use those, because I just wouldn't. I just don't know, I just won't. Oh yeah, here's this one. My PC is too laggy to make it see, but the volume is loud for me, but for you guys, it's not that loud. See, they got an anime intro right here. Yeah, so much intros. Gotta wait for this thing. So, if you wanna look at your intro, you click this. If it's like this or green, it's supposed to be like that. Then you click the play button to see how it sounds. That's loud. But yeah, if you want, you can just click this to get out of the view. And text should be somewhere up here. But yeah. So you see how those are? If this is if it's showing name, you can just put in yours. Copy that. Make sure you find everything that's saying name. Sometimes it could be on the bottom or in the middle or on top right here. But yeah, you can make your own. I am just too lazy to, and plus I get confused with the stuff. The camera stuff angles and audio track. You can basically start offset is where you can make it the music start for your intro. But yeah, once you got everything down, like this stuff, I would just say click download, then start video render, and it's gonna take a few minutes just to finish, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. It took longer than expected. So then, once it's finished, it's gonna say your render is finished. Click below to download the video. You can click download, but if you want to make any improvements, you can just go back, click return to editing, and you can just keep on editing this thing and do the same thing again. and like editing it and everything. Yeah, so the only thing I switched it up, so let's see how my intro went when I found this. I like the color and stuff in the background. But so I'm gonna wait real quick. Here we go. Come on, load. I'll probably stop the recording and start recording. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's start the video. Let's see how it went. So that's how the video went. Am I to use it? Probably not. Yeah. Showed you guys how to make your very own intro. So once you're like done with all of this stuff, also you can find out outros and stuff for you guys, and also this clip maker. This is actually where you make your own intro. And if you guys want to know how to save it and stuff, you just save it here. And if you want to know how to load it in, you click load project. You can just click new project and it sends you to basically this page right here. My friend's just messaging how the fact he got 88 views. Bruh. Yeah. And you click add object, text. First thing that'll show up, click maker. Also, you want to click it, then you can like move it up and stuff. I'm not that good, but I know that you should use like a good font like this one. Click maker, or you can use custom, and you have to find it through your files. But I'm not gonna be doing that. Like, I'm not gonna be showing you guys how to make full intro in this video, but probably in the next one when I learn how to. I just know how to edit them. Make sure you go down and subscribe. Come on, it's free. Like the video too, it's free as well. There's nothing wrong with liking a video. Subscribe. I honestly don't know what I did for that. But yeah. This video I got a lot of support on, which I give you guys my thanks. And no comments on you. yeah, make sure to follow me on Twitter and join the Discord, because why not? You can probably get something out of it. So, I'm gonna go play some Roblox here. I don't know what else to do, so I'm off. See ya.